So as you can see in this screen, session 3 is going to start building a basic generative AI model. So we are going to use Python and PyTorch. Python, I think most of you know what is Python is. It's one of the #1 languages to build this AI models and basically AI development work. Defining algorithms and training the models and a lot of work. Python is one of the #1 languages. But some of you might not be aware what is PyTorch is. The ML library, like machine learning library, where to give you necessary functionalities. There are a lot of functions behind this model creation. So those things are being available, embedded in the PyTorch. So we have to import that particular PyTorch library to Python in order to start building basic model. So that's why, our development framework will be mainly on Python and PyTorch. So there are lot of frameworks, we know, TensorFlow, Azure, there are a lot of frameworks are there, which you might consider later. But currently, as a starting point, which we feel the easiest way out, starting point, we are going to use Python and PyTorch for our basic GAN model development work. So that's why you can see introduction is given in this video. What is Python and what is PyTorch? You can see we are just digging down about PyTorch, and again a little bit of introduction about the tensors and Pythonic operations. Probably a little bit of technicalities there, that's true, but no worries. From the very basic level, we are going to teach this on how to generate this model. So that is what is available at the moment in the channel, and this series, as I mentioned, starting will be uploaded. These videos will be uploaded from lesson 4 onwards. That's what's going to happen. So in the next video, we will see how to install Python and how to configure it and how to integrate Python and PyTorch together. So all the practicals are going to start from next video onwards, and we are going to use Windows as the platform. We can use Linux and other OSs, but to make the things simple, because I think most of you are familiar with Windows, because objective here is not troubleshooting the operating system issues and those things. The objective here is to learn generative AI model creation. So whatever the dependent things, we have to keep it very simple. So that's why I use in Windows. So in the next video, let's take a look at how to install and configure Python and PyTorch. Thanks.